Hello, and welcome to this weather briefing on the evening of October 11th, 2022. I am Joseph Patton. I'm a research meteorologist at the Cooperative Institute for Satellite and Earth System Studies at the University of Maryland. This week, we're going to be talking about some fire weather and gusty wind concerns across the northern plains and central plains, as well as some isolated severe storms and flash flooding possible in the Midwest and Northeast. At the current weather hazards from the National Weather Service, as well as radar reflectivity, shows there's some activity going on across the continental United States. There are red flag warnings indicating dry and windy conditions which could lead to uncontrollable wildfires across portions of Kansas, Nebraska, and Colorado. And there are also accompanying high wind warnings and advisories for strong winds that could lead to damage across portions of the northern plains. There are radar reflectivity returns across the central plains and the Midwest, showing that there's active precipitation and even some embedded thunderstorms going on there. Right now, there aren't any severe warnings out, but there could be isolated severe storms from that system later today. Looking more specifically at the severe thunderstorm risks for this coming week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday all have a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms for portions of the Midwest and then into the Northeast United States. These isolated thunderstorms could produce large hail over 1 inch in diameter and strong winds over 60 miles an hour. That storm risk shifts eastward into this week as a upper level trough develops. To start out with, on Tuesday and Wednesday, the upper level flow over the Midwest and central United States is relatively zonal, so winds are going from east to west. That is leading to those dry and windy conditions with those red flag warnings and high wind advisories. But that shifts into meridional flow or north-south flow as a strong upper-level trough develops, bringing strong curved flow to the Midwest and Northeast United States into Thursday. This is expected to bring upper-level support for precipitation and even some severe weather. Right now, the Weather Prediction Center, or WPC, is highlighting an excessive rainfall risk for the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic United States for Thursday due to flash flooding, as storm motions from storms moving from south to north could lead to repeated heavy rainfalls in this area. A weak tropical cyclone is also expected to develop in the Bay of Campeche in the Gulf of Mexico. This storm system could provide additional support for heavy rains in northern Mexico and portions of the Gulf Coast. There's an 80% chance that this disturbance is going to mature into a tropical cyclone this week, according to the National Hurricane Center. What we can see on infrared from this satellite imagery is that there are some organized thunderstorms leading to some cold cloud tops, and those unorganized thunderstorms are also leading to some lightning flashes, which the GLM, the geostationary lightning mapper aboard the GOES-R instruments, can see. And this lightning could be an indicator that this organized convection could be leading to some tropical cyclone development within the next couple of days. So look out for any updates about this possible named system as it continues to develop, and listen to your local National Weather Service office for updated watches and warnings. Thank you for joining me tonight.